Okay, today we're gonna unbox the Mad Manga police car. This is one of my personal favorites. I'm just unboxing it because this is one of my favorite series in Hot Wheels, personally, and I got an extra one to keep on the wall, and this one just to open. So we're gonna open this one.
Oh, it is loose. Hold on. There we go. Goodness.
Man, it's amazing. It definitely
really cool.
doesn't disappoint. Like the red windows with the white seats, and then the black and white paint job with the silver speckled paint. It's really cool. It's got the wide body kit with the lip kit all the way around, and then the crazy exaggerated exhaust tips. Like, the Bosozoku style is a style from Japan, and people actually modify their car to look kind of like this in real life, and it's basically like driving around on real life Hot Wheels. And if you want a real treat, just look that and Google Bosozoku car and watch a couple videos. They're amazing. But until next time, guys, happy hunting.